Namaste, this is Veer from yogamindmastery.com, and in this video we are going to discuss about the fifth presupposition in NLP. The fifth presupposition states that all behavior have positive intent. It doesn't matter what kind of behavior you are dealing with. You need to suppose whenever you are dealing with client or whenever you are dealing with yourself that all behaviors have positive intent. If we take some examples, if you're not feeling confident, there is some positive intent behind it. Maybe you don't want to show yourself as someone who is overconfident. Maybe you don't want to show yourself as someone who is cocky. If you have a behavior of smoking, then there might be some positive intent behind. Maybe you feel a lot of stress, and one way of coping with that stress is that you begin to smoke. If you're not exercising, there might be a positive intent behind it. Maybe you have too much work, too much responsibility, due to which you don't have time to exercise. So every behavior in life has a positive intent. So this is the first thing you need to understand. Unless you understand it, you cannot change your behavior, you cannot change your mind, you cannot change yourself. Okay, so figure out what is the positive intent behind your behavior. If you're not feeling confident, what is the positive intent behind it? Always assume there's a positive intent behind it. Try to find it, because there will always be a positive intent behind it. Once you find it, you can figure out what are other ways of fulfilling that positive intent. So if we come back to the example of smoking, if you use smoking to reduce your stress, once you figure out the positive intent is that you're reducing stress, you can figure out other solutions that can help you manage your stress much more effectively. One can be working out more, the other could be meditating, third could be practicing breathing exercise that I all teach. Always assume, this is an assumption in NLP, but always assume in life, whatever you're doing in life, there is a positive intent behind every behavior. And this is one of the most important presupposition in NLP. And unless you understand this, you will not be able to help yourself or help others. So always keep this in mind. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel Veer Confidence on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.